This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Miller Gentry. Welcome to 943 Chigwell Road, a stunning Ocean Lakes home on a quiet cul-de-sac. This beautifully updated one-story home has cathedral ceilings, an open floor plan, an oversized yard, and a two-car garage. The updated kitchen, 2019, includes a large pantry with barn door and stainless steel appliances. The living area has cathedral ceilings and wood grain vinyl flooring throughout. The living area has a wood-burning fireplace and two sliding doors that open to the backyard and deck. The primary bedroom has cathedral ceilings and ensuite bathroom with stunning new flooring. The additional two bedrooms have been updated with wainscoting and wallpaper and share the updated hall bath. Heating/air conditioner new in 2020. Kitchen updated 2019. The Property Owners Association includes pools, parks, and playgrounds. For more information, review the details below.